Hey, Sugar. I just got here.
The art gallery rang again. They're excited about your exhibition.
If I get this new idea together...
You will.
I'm so behind.
Ja. Mga aku faham ya tengah masa kamu.
Vai, de faca de gising ya girl.
Kakak, ayah fakat apa ya? Anna's here.
Ja, van mij is het meer nice away via facility maar je kia.
Papi, is meer ngalang sa ang.
Ese is ook como un mele. Lo faz okay.
Hello, Kaz.
Malon.
Oh my gosh, you look so great. Have you lost weight?
What do you want?
Is Nana in?
No, she's in bed already. Not feeling so flash.
Anna. São. Come.
Excuse you.
Knock, knock. Nana.
Anna, wait, sit op kamer. Wait.
Melly said you were asleep.
Hey, gosh, beautiful girl. Just like your mother. Mele,
Yeah.
Mele se la kwe kope meska ko kapati fa mon mole.
Yeah.
Gosh, yeah.
Sunga, do you remember last time? Sina with an eel over her freaking baby. And all those bloody balangi ate that shit up like they always do, sis. And that's the tea.
Anna, come and take this ekong and put it on the dresser for mon mole.
Okay.
Thank you. Papetai lama.
So, Nana, my new exhibition is about the Teine Sā and the Telesā in particular. She sounded like such a boss bitch.
A boss what?
You know, someone who didn't take any crap from anyone. Anyway, I've been doing all of this research, and I think the story's about her and the Teine Sā, you know, like punishing you for brushing your hair in the mirror at night.
Anna, you can't interfere with the world of the Teine Sā. They are the protector of the old world. They guard the hangafa, and if you soli the va,
Solely the what?
the va, the unseen space. So don't you go and trample on the va.
Okay. Especially not in those shoes.
It's just that my exhibition is coming up pretty soon, and I was actually wondering if I could borrow your ear tonga to activate the space.
What for?
You know, to activate the space. I'm just gonna hang it up with my art stuff.
Anna, if you were getting married, I would say yes, because that is a continuation of our hangafa. But to hang it on the wall or whatever you're going to do with it? Anna, I'm sorry, darling, but I've got to say no. You're not mad at Nana?
Of course not.
Thank you, Anna.
You know, whistling at night's meant to be bad luck, right?
Yes, I read that in a dissertation once.
That's the problem with you, Anna. You know it all up here, but you don't know it in here.
You know smoking kills, right? Bye, Kaz.
You too?
Perfect. Oh, I thought you had Nana wrapped around your little finger.
So did I.
Back to the drawing board?
No, there's not enough time.
But I thought you, like Nana, to give your work a seal of approval.
Well, she never comes to my exhibitions. What she doesn't know won't hurt her.
One more?
Yes.
Okay. Look at you. Congratulations.
What?
You solved the whole lot.
Already?
Yes. Everything. They love you. They absolutely love you. You're a success.
Yes.
And by the way, you're opening.
I'm sorry. Sorry. Excuse me. 2 seconds.
Okay.
Hi, Kaz.
Anna?
Malo, Nana.
Ana. Ana whanongo mai akea. Au mai lalo le aka le wha mole. Mele, sawa wharikenga le a mai lalo le aka.
Mele, it's my opening night.
Au mai lalo le
Koi
aka.
pepea. Nan. Koi pepea.
Ai, Ana.
Careful what you wish for, Anna.
Don't you go and trample on the vine.
You know it all up here, but you don't know it in here.
Back to the drawing board.
What the?
Flynn? 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 Hello? Flynn?
Se Ana. Sao. Oia. Sauroa. Ana. Ana sao. A fio mai Ana. Sao.
supporting local content so you can see more of New Zealand on air.